Welcome to the IPEX UCE mobile application video for Windows Desktop. If you haven't set up your application yet, please refer to the UCE installation video for Windows. Once you log into IPEX UCE, you'll be presented with the home screen. At the top of the home screen you can see your profile. Here you can see your own information such as your name, online status, currently set to available, and your extension number. To change your status, click on the drop-down arrow next to your name. You can then choose from a range of statuses that allow your colleagues to see if you're unavailable for calls. From here you can enable Do Not Disturb, which means you will not be able to be contacted. If you have any questions regarding your UCE application, please contact your telephony provider.